Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to be discussing how artificial intelligence, or AI, is going to change the future and how can we be future ready in our careers. As we move further into the 21st century, AI is becoming increasingly prevalent in our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, to self-driving cars and robots performing tasks in manufacturing and retail, it's clear that AI is rapidly changing the way we live and work. But what is AI and what does the future hold for AI? Some experts predict that it will revolutionize industries and change the way we do things in ways we can't even imagine yet. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems and algorithms that are capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. AI can be divided into two main categories: narrow or general. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, such as facial recognition or language translation, while general AI is designed to be more adaptable and able to perform a wider range of tasks. One area where AI is expected to have a significant impact is healthcare. AI-powered algorithms can analyze large amounts of data, such as medical records and imaging scans, to help doctors make more accurate diagnoses and treatment recommendations. This could lead to more personalized and efficient healthcare for patients, as well as cost savings for healthcare providers. AI is also expected to play a role in improving transportation and logistics. Autonomous vehicles, such as self-driving cars and delivery drones, are becoming more common, and are expected to reduce accidents and improve efficiency. AI-powered logistics systems could also help companies better predict and meet customer demand, resulting in improved supply chain management. But it's not just industries that will be impacted by AI. As AI becomes more advanced, it's likely that it will also change the way we work and learn. For example, AI-powered tutoring and learning systems could help students learn more efficiently, while AI-powered assistants could help workers automate tasks and free up time for more creative and strategic work. So, as you can see, AI has the potential to significantly change the future in many different ways. There are several ways to learn AI. Online courses. There are numerous online platforms, such as Coursera, edX, and Udacity, that offer AI courses taught by experts in the field. These courses are generally self-paced, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Universities. Many universities in India offer AI courses as part of their computer science or engineering programs. These courses are typically more structured and may require you to complete assignments and exams. Boot camps. AI boot camps are intensive, short-term courses that provide hands-on training in AI. These courses are typically designed for professionals looking to learn AI quickly and are often taught by industry experts. Self-study. Another option is to learn AI through self-study, using online resources such as tutorials, books, and videos. This option requires a lot of self-motivation and discipline, but can be a cost-effective way to learn. Regardless of the method you choose, it's important to have a strong foundation in mathematics and computer science in order to learn AI effectively. You should also be willing to put in the time and effort to practice and apply what you learn in order to become proficient in AI. There are a variety of job positions available in India for AI professionals, including data scientist. Data scientists use AI and machine learning techniques to analyze large data sets and extract insights that can inform business decisions. They may also develop algorithms and models to solve specific problems. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers design and build machine learning systems and applications. They may also be responsible for maintaining and improving existing systems. AI researcher. AI researchers focus on developing new AI technologies and approaches. They may work in academic or industry settings and may be involved in the development of cutting-edge AI technologies. AI consultant. AI consultants help businesses understand how AI can be applied to solve specific problems or improve processes. They may also provide guidance on implementing AI solutions. The salary range for AI professionals in India can vary widely depending on factors such as the company, the individual's experience and skills, and the location. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data scientist in India is approximately 10 lakh Indian rupees per year. Machine learning engineers and AI researchers may earn slightly more, while AI consultants may earn higher salaries based on their level of expertise and the complexity of their projects. While there are certainly valid concerns about the impact of AI on employment and privacy, it's clear that it will play a major role in shaping the world we live in. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on AI and other emerging technologies.